Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start at the center stand with the scooter stable. This prevents unexpected tipping. Once done, remove the key, and if the U-Box has power, disconnect the negative battery lead to avoid shorts. Next, locate visible bolts at the box hinge and latch. Use a 10 mm socket and a Phillips to break them free. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray so you don't lose orientation when reassembling later. With the lid supported, you can access the hinge area safely. This prevents pinching. First, inspect and unplug any wiring harnesses or marker lights attached to the box. Press retaining tabs and pull straight to avoid damaging clips. Once electricals are clear, remove hinge bolts while maintaining upward pressure on the box. Then tip the rear slightly to clear locating tabs. This releases the box from its mounts. Lift the box straight up and away from the mounts while keeping it level to avoid scraping paint or bending tabs. Once free, set it on a padded surface and cover exposed connectors to prevent contamination. If the box won't budge, don't force it. Inspect for hidden clips or retained screws, lightly spray penetrating oil on corroded bolts, and recheck wiring runs that might be trapped. Address those specific issues and repeat removal. You'll avoid damage and finish cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.